Welcome to Stampin' Up! With the Crafty Chicks 3-Minute Thursday series. I'm your host, Jacqueline Shiel. Today I'm going to show you a technique on how you can make your own designer paper. This is especially useful if you want the paper to match the stamp set that you're using to embellish the card. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Old Olive Stampin' Pad from Stampin' Up!, the Lemon Lime Twist Stampin' Pad from Stampin' Up!, and some light colored paper. This is from Hobby Lobby, I think. And I wanted that because it is the color in between these two, so you can see the differences in the different techniques. And I'm going to use the Stampin' Up! Lemon Zest stamp set, and I've already taken out the items that I want, these three right here. So the Old Olive I already stamped out, and it looks like this. So that's if you want something that's bold, that's going to pop on your card. And then if you do this too, sometimes you can just put, you don't have to even use any of the items from the stamp set, except maybe the sentiments, and it'll still match. And that's if you don't want to have any 3D pieces on your card and you just want the card to be flat. What I'm going to show you now is how the lighter color, the Lemon Lime Twist, will look. So you can see the different ways each color will look. That's a darker color, and this is a somewhat lighter color. And when you use a lighter color or a color that closely matches the paper, it's called shadowing. Now, I don't think that this is close enough in color to be considered shadowing, but it is different look, right? It gives you a much different look. Don't be afraid to go off the paper, to go over on your crease. Doesn't have to be perfect either. It's however you want it because it's your paper. So that's with a lighter color and that's with a darker color. So experiment with your different inks and your different papers. You can also use smaller designs, larger designs. Just play with it and have a lot of fun and see what works. And voila, there you have it, your very own designer paper. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page, my blog, and my Stampin' Up! Store site. Also, check out my Etsy store where I sell retired and discontinued Stampin' Up! Products, as well as the exclusive list of current products Stampin' Up! Allows demonstrators to sell on their personal websites. Thank you for joining me in Stampin' Up! With the Crafty Chicks 3-Minute Thursday. Happy crafting!